Hey friends, if your Chevy displays the service transmission now, unable to shift soon warning, take it seriously because the transmission control system has detected a condition that could eventually prevent normal gear changes. The vehicle may still drive for a short time, but it could enter a protective mode to reduce damage if the problem gets worse. This message doesn't always mean the transmission has failed internally. It can also be triggered by shifting hardware, electrical connections, or transmission operating conditions. Before assuming a complete transmission replacement is needed, perform these practical inspections. Step 1. Make sure nothing is obstructing the electronic gear selector's movement. Step 2. Inspect the transmission case for loose electrical connectors or damaged locking clips. Step 3. Check underneath for signs of a dented transmission pan restricting fluid flow. Step 4. Verify the transmission mount isn't broken or excessively collapsed.